Hi everyone and welcome to the Phantom Motor Company showroom in Bolton. Today I'll be showing you the car behind me. It's a 2016 Jeep Wrangler, 2.8 litre diesel. This one's very special, it's got a Chelsea Truck Company / Kahn Bodykit on there. Let's have a quick look. Let's take a look at the front end of the Jeep. You can see how much presence it would have on the road with them huge 22-inch wheels, huge grille, vents in the bonnet. As you can see there, it's on at 37,990. It's done just over 4,000 miles. It really is in immaculate condition. Okay, let's have a quick look inside the interior of the Jeep. It's in immaculate condition, as you can see. It's got two original keys present. You've got the cross-stitched red leather throughout the vehicle as well. Really nice combination with the outside being black, inside being red. A quick look at the back seats as well. Okay, so that was a really quick view of the Chelsea Truck Company Edition Jeep. If you'd like to register your interest, give us a call on 01942 502288. You can also visit our website, phantommotorcompany.co.uk. You'll see this, and we've got plenty more in the Phantom showroom as well. Thank you very much for watching.